intervals, given an array of intervals where intervals I value is equals to start, and merge all overlapping intervals and return all an array of the non-overlapping intervals that occur in the intervals that cover all the intervals in the input. Example one with intervals, and this is our output. So explanation says since 1 3 here and 1 6 overlap, so these two overlap, we merge them into 1 2, 1 6. So we see this becomes this, and these two stay the same since they don't overlap. This one much more simpler since we only have two. So we have intervals this and this, and we see that these two overlap. This one starting here and ending with the 5. So we can solve this. So let's make let's sort it. So intervals dot sort key lambda x x. So we'll sort them. Sort by time by start. This one over here. And let's make merge. Let's go merged. Make a list to hold merged intervals. For interval in intervals. So for interval in intervals. If not merged or merged, the last value is less than less than interval, the first value, 0. So basically we're going to do, so since here, for example, when we first merge this one here, we're going to check this value here, since this is the only one in merge so far. The end time, which is the only one here, and now we have moved on to this one, so that will be this one, the start time of the interval, and we will do merged the append interval. So if either one of these conditions are met, we just append it. So in this case, since this value is not less than this, the start time is not less than this, then we don't append, we go ahead to the else. Merged the last value, the end time of the last value we have entered, 1 8 negative. So we go to the list, 1, and then equals to maximum of to merge, and when the last value of merge or interval a one, the end time. So for example, here we see that this one is greater than this. So this will now become 6, and that's how we have 6 over here. So that's basically it. So return merged, and that should work perfectly. Let's see if there's any mistakes, syntax errors, and that should work. And it's been accepted successfully. So we see here starting this will be a log of n log n and log n time complexity of n log n, and this is space complexity of n. So let's submit to see if it's going to so since this is all the n log n, but going to this is O of n. This is the time complexity. Let's submit to see if it's going to pass all cases, and it's been able to pass all cases. And that's basically it for this interval problem.